Alam nyo ba na ang stress during pregnancy ay malaki ang impact sa development ng baby? Yan ay according to Dr. Daniel Amen. Imagine, 3 weeks pa lang after conception, nagsisimula na agad ang development ng brain ni baby. And that is a very critical time. Yung stress level ni mommy, yung nutrition niya, yung tulog niya, and everything that she does. Lahat yan may epekto. Parang nagbibuild na tayo ng brain reserve ni baby habang nasa womb pa lang siya. And yung brain reserve na yan yung parang resilience ng utak nila paglaki. Kung maraming stress during pregnancy, pwedeng maapektuhan yung buong brain reserve na yan. At sabi nga, this even has a generational consequences. Hindi lang yung genes natin, pati yung environment while growing inside mommy's tummy, napaka-importante. Kaya if you know someone na pregnant or ikaw mismo yung buntis, please take care. And sa mga partners dyan, be extra nice, lower the stress, and be a support system. This is very, very close to my heart. Dahil when my wife was pregnant with both of our kids, she really took good care of herself. And I tried my very best then to be the ultimate support for her. Kaya sa mga mommies at soon-to-be mommies, happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat.